welcome back to our channel. Today we are making some banana pudding with me, my sister, and my dad. So let's get to work. You're gonna need a whole bunch of milk in here.
2 cups.
About 2 cups.
2 cups.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, what are you doing there, Hot Rod?
Okay, so
Stuff and
some
bananas.
and some banana pudding filling. It can be any kind of pudding filling. Just open it up. They loaded this part. Add milk. Oops.
We have a little bit of a messy situation on our hands.
This is real world.
Yes.
Those other guys, they'll like throw this out and start over again.
Yep.
Not
This
us.
is real world. We do it right. Well, we do it wrong, but we own it.
Yeah. We don't just film it over and over and over again. We want all of you guys to know the real experience of cooking.
Try and pull it neater than we did.
Why don't we get something to clean that up? Oop.
And also, if you like this video, subscribe and watch our pie cooking video.
Alright. Violet, will you continue to stir that for me, please? Gently, watching what you're doing in there, not what's happening on the screen. Thank you. Okay. While Violet's working on that, Rose, I need you to come over here on this side.
Okay, Dad.
I need you to take, remember how this works?
Uh-huh.
All right, I'm going to
So
let
you
you do that.
put your hand in here and take a couple of cookies, like about 3 cookies, basically. And then you come...
Whoop. Come back over here.
Right.
You're going to line the bowl with the cookies.
Mm-hmm.
No, just lay them in there. You've forgotten.
Yeah.
You have forgotten. So you do that, and you put them face down, and you run them up the side a little bit. All right?
Oh, yeah.
There. Now you
So
keep...
we're basically making a cookie bowl right now.
Yeah, you're making a little... Okay.
Cookie base.
Can you...
Put
all
the
right.
cookies like against
Now.
the side.
And
While
you
you're
keep on
doing
doing
that-
that all around.
Let's do that the whole way. And
You
this
try
pudding-
to round them out around the edges so your pudding won't be all lobbed over everything.
All right,
The
so
pudding, you'll have to mix it for like 2 minutes. Switch hands if you have to. It gets tiring. It can be like liquid.
and I'm preparing a banana that will lay in there in layers.
Okay then, I think I got it basically good.
Yes, you do. Okay. Now,
Someone else looks. My arm's getting tired.
that's thickening up quite nice. All right, so let me see that. Thank you, Violet. Now, typically you would use a whisk, but
We don't
Good.
got one.
couldn't find it. So we're going to use what we got.
It's like moving on itself. That's kind of
You
cool.
could use a blender, but that wouldn't be as fun as just stirring it.
All right, now what
And
we're going to do is
almost broke.
we're going to just,
Versus the pie.
we're drizzling the first bit in. There we go.
Oh, I don't know.
Now, we didn't dump it all in, okay?
Just put in a little, and then you would add in the second layer, which will be
Bananas.
banana.
Put our bananas in there.
Bananas. Get it?
Okay, we're just going to layer them in. It's nothing fancy.
Still not explaining it. Just in a way to be funny.
Gonna squish it down a little bit. Okay,
Squishy, squishy.
our next bit, let's put another
That's a
ring.
tiny banana.
Let's put another
Baby banana.
ring of cookies around the outside, please. Go ahead.
Okay then.
Okay.
Violet, it's your turn.
dump some of this in there so you have something to work with. There you go.
Dad, I think we're gonna need some more cookies.
We might.
Watermelon.
Running low? Good thing I have more.
This
Alright.
is a semi-circle cookie. Very well. I only found out the very bottom of the cookies.
Which is exactly where we are.
That's
We got an ultra rare cookie.
yeah, and that's basically all the cookies.
So let me do a quality check on these.
Yeah.
Yep, oh, we're good. Okay. I'll put some more of these in. We still have another banana there. Let's chop
By the
them up.
second layer, you'll need another banana.
Well, let's chop another one up.
Then you're gonna need to put the pudding on the top and stuff.
Oh yeah. Here, let's go ahead and put this guy in.
And then you gotta like point it up like a little icing thing. That's what Dad does.
Chop. Chop, 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 chop,
It
chop.
almost looks
chop.
like you're chopping up the same thing, like over and over and over again.
Yeah, that is pretty cool looking.
I know. Chopping up banana looks very cool, but it tastes very weird.
Alright. And then we'll throw another layer. Let me wash my
Why would
hands.
you eat an icing thing?
We need some more pudding.
More pudding.
This is about the last bit of pudding. So this is the
I
third
think
layer.
this should be the third layer, or should we like cut it in half? Let's just do third layer. And then we'll just pile on top of that.
Yeah.
That's about
Half.
that's all of the pudding.
Alright, let's put another round of, well, let me see what I can do here. I'm going to tap it,
With a little
slash spread it around a bit. There we
that helps,
go.
but that's making a pretty cool spiral looking thing.
Okay. So I want more, do a layer of bananas on there, and then a layer of cookies, or what?
I like to spread on the cookies.
Let's throw the little banana in the middle. There you go.
My
Now,
dad taught me to crumble the cookies before you put them in.
well, this bit here, we're going to space those out, and then you're exactly right. So space
Yeah.
those out and leave a little bit in there. Okay, 2 more maybe? 1 more? Alright, now,
Oh, this is so good.
we got these crumbs here. Here, Rose, come in here, and you do the last bit with those crumbs in there. You sprinkle that on the top.
I also have awesome
Just dump the bag on.
Yeah, basically.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Alright.
And this is
turn
a
out.
really quick and easy way to make like a fine dessert.
For some reason, this reminds me of the seashore. Because
Yeah, so when you're in a hurry and you really need to bring something to a party, make this. It looks like you took a lot of time, but you really didn't.
Yeah.
Thank you
Alright.
for watching.
And I'm going to set it in the fridge, and we'll have it later with lunch, alright?
Bye.